Welcome guys back to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I would like to show you how to crochet one more cord. So you can use this cord for example for crochet baby hats or crochet summer tanks or tops. Really easy and fast to do. For this cord I'm using medium worsted yarn and 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. So what you need to do to know about this cord is that you need to leave a tail, and the final length of the cord will be equal the length of the tail divided by 3. So for example, if you leave this tail, so now you will get, I will show you like this. So you will get at the end the length of your cord like this, plus minus 1 centimeters. So if you get the main idea, let's get started. Make a slip knot. So the working yarn that is connected to the ball will be always on the top, and the long tail that you left will be down. So what you're going to do, make a yarn over with the tail, help yourself with the index finger, then pick up working yarn and pull through 2 loops on your hook. And that's it. That's what we are going to repeat again. Make a yarn over, pick up the working yarn and pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that's what you're going to repeat. I cannot say until desired length, until you finish the tail that you left. And again, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's how it looks. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. And now I want to show you how to finish the cord. A little bit closer, look. So what you need to do, you need to cut the main yarn, the working yarn, you can pull it like this and tie with the tail that you have, like this. At the end, use tapestry needle and weave in ends just inside the cord. That's it, and that's how it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching me today. I hope you enjoyed this short video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. I will be happy to answer them.